The word Veda comes from the Sanskrit root ved, meaning knowledge. The Vedas are considered the oldest sacred texts of Indian civilization and were preserved through oral tradition for centuries. They are believed to be Apaurushaya, meaning not of human origin. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. The first 3 are collectively known as the Trayi. Each Veda has a specific role in rituals and religious practices, and together they represent the earliest literary tradition of ancient India. Rig Veda is the oldest of all the Vedas and contains 1028 hymns dedicated to various natural deities such as Indra, Agni and Varuna. It is the primary source of knowledge about early Vedic society and religion. The Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandalas. Mandalas 2 to 7 are known as family books because they were composed by specific priestly families. Mandala 9 focuses on Soma, while Mandala 10 contains philosophical hymns like the famous Purusha Sukta. Several important deities appear in the Rig Veda. Indra is the most praised god, Agni represents fire and acts as a mediator in sacrifices, Varuna symbolizes cosmic order, and Soma is associated with the sacred ritual drink. Samaveda is known as the Veda of music. Although most of its verses come from the Rig Veda, they are arranged in a musical format to be sung during rituals. This Veda is considered the foundation of Indian classical music. Yajurveda focuses on sacrificial rituals. It provides the formulas and instructions needed for performing yagyas. This Veda is divided into 2 main branches, Shukla Yajurveda and Krishna Yajurveda. Atharvaveda is unique among the Vedas. It contains magical charms, healing prayers and spells related to everyday life. Because of this distinctive nature, UPSC has asked questions about this Veda in previous exams. Each Veda is divided into 4 main parts. The Samhitas contain hymns, the Brahmans explain rituals, the Aranyakas interpret the symbolism of rituals, and the Upanishads focus on deeper philosophical ideas. During Vedic sacrifices, different priests had specific roles. The Hotri recited Rigvedic hymns, the Udgatri sung Samaveda chants, the Advaryu performed ritual procedures with Yajurveda, and the Brahma priest supervised the entire ritual. Rig Veda also provides geographical clues. Rivers such as Sindhu, Saraswati and Yamuna are mentioned frequently. The region is described as Sapta Sindhu, meaning the land of 7 rivers, indicating early Vedic settlements in northwestern India. The Vedas are the earliest literary records of Indian civilization. They provide insights into religion, society and culture of the early Indo-Aryans and continue to influence Hindu philosophy and traditions even today.